members of the Lawaleuba, or sometimes referred to as tapa cloth, made from the paper mulberry tree. The Lawaleuba was harvested and processed by the loving hands of her grandmother, her namesake, Fa'alamilangi Lealai Tapea, in Salailua Sabai, a task carried on today. The dress is 3 separate pieces, which combine the uha in its natural fibrous state on top, while the koloa and fusi siapo or belt are siapo mamanu, which were created by stretching layers of the bark cloth onto a flat surface, glued together with the masoa or arrowroot starch. This process allows the bark cloth to be hand-painted and designed using the traditional siapo motifs and colored with the 4 basic natural dyes: the black from the lama, the brown from the oa or the blood tree, the red from the loa or lipstick tree, and the yellow from the amo or the sugar root. The bright golden yellow was creatively used as the main color of the outfit to coincide with the pattern theme of Samoa's Golden Jubilee, as well as Golden Opportunity, to display this family's demonstration of the Samoan art of siapo making. Langi is also wearing a traditional tuinga saisai, or 4-piece tuinga, which is covered in the lauma, and designed with siapo mamanu, and adorned with coconut shell pieces that are hand-painted also with siapo designs. The laulu in a tuinga is a family heirloom treasured by the Alintafia family of Salailua Sabai, and is more than 100 years old. The Olariko, made of whale's teeth, around her neck is another family heirloom, brought out and displayed only special occasions like this. The red ulang fala is used to accentuate the neckline, but also represents the paintbrush used in the designing of the siapo mamanu. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Your contestant number 2, Fa'alamilangi Lealai Tapea.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are our 2 first contestants for the traditionally inspired garment. Leslie Ann Sua Sayuri Salatoma and Fa'alamilangi Chanfulang Tuisanega.